Hello guys, who never dreamed of earning some money just by playing? Nowadays this is possible, so watch everything right and start earning. In this video I'll show you 6 apps that pay you real money just for playing games. Number 6. Bananatic. Bananatic offers rewards for playing games, watching videos, completing offers and referring others. If an online platform to meet new friends and playing online games, this site offers that and more. When you complete the task, you collect bananas that you can redeem for games, PayPal, PayPal Cash, game codes, in-game currency, Amazon gift cards, and PayPal prepaid cards. Number 5. iRazoo is a get paid to site. When you answer the survey, watching videos, play games, or complete offers, you earn iRazoo points you can redeem for cash via PayPal or gift cards. Tasks are updated daily, and you also get paid to refer friends. Number 4. Lucktastic. Lucktastic offers a free and fun way to earn rewards. It works as a free online scratch card. You select scratch off games and can win tokens or cash. You can redeem your token for gift cards or use tokens to enter contests to win a prize. Lucktastic is only available in the United States. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. And now number 3, InboxDollars, the rewards site that offers members various ways to get paid. To earn on this website, you can play games, take paid service, watch videos, read emails, and shop online. InboxDollars connects you with games companies, include those available via World Winner. For example, poker, Wheel of Fortune Casino, Club 18. Arcade game available include Solitaire, Sudoku, Word Chess, and Mahjong. For every tournament game you can part in, you get cashback in your InBoxDollars account. Number 2. Mistplay. This app is available on Android and iOS. Mistplay allows users to discover new games on their mixed list, choose a game and start playing, collect points and redeem them for awesome rewards, chat with friends and find new ones through the game's chat, invite friends to Mistplay, compete with other players to rank in-game leaderboards. Every game on the platform is free to play and there are many options to choose from. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the internet's go-to site when you are looking for ways to make money using your smartphone. It's free to join and offers more than 10 ways to earn, including watch videos, play games, answer service, search in the web, and more. When you sign up here, you get $5 welcome bonus instantly after completing your profile. I hope this video gave you the information you didn't know, and if you want more videos like this, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next video.